Guys, itong video na itong camp out is more about cooking, fire pit cooking, rather than documenting the campers. May mga ibang campers kasi ayaw na nagpapakuha. So we respect their privacy. So ito, puro mga luto-luto lang. This is just a short video. Ito, may mga kapitbahay na ako na nag-pitch ng tent sa tabi ng aking pickup. Anyway, wala naman tao, so kukunan ko muna ito pansamantala. Kayo ba nasubukan na ninyong magluto sa fire pit? Ibig sabihin, kahoy ang ginagamit nyo. Mapapansin nyo, iba ang lasa ng pagkain. Mas masarap pagka wood burning stove ang gamit nyo. Check it out! Tara guys, magkape muna tayo. Ayan, coffee by the river.
We met, made sure I never would forget. Swore I'd keep you safe, to treasure you in every way. Don't be scared to face the door. I'm right behind you. Time moves so fast. I try to make the moments last. If one day they're gone, I'm hoping we still have this song. Don't be scared to face the door.
Ito, ang walang kamatayan na papaitan baka. I always bring this to camp, as a form of goodwill and camaraderie. Everybody came on down. Yeah, sige, kumuha lang kayo dyan hanggat meron.